Will Samsung actually remove the S Pen from the Galaxy Z Fold 7, or is there good news for stylus users? Recently, a lot of talk has been going around about Samsung possibly dropping S Pen support for its next foldable phone. Some leaks suggested that in an effort to make the device thinner, the company might have to sacrifice the stylus. Others speculated that the Fold 7 could take inspiration from the rumored Z Fold Southeast, a more affordable version that might not support the S Pen at all. But now, a new report is changing the narrative. A leak from a tipster named Panda Flash, who has been known to share details about upcoming foldable devices, claims that Samsung is actually developing a new S Pen designed specifically for the Fold 7. Instead of getting rid of stylus support, Samsung might be introducing an improved version tailored for this device. However, there is a potential downside. According to the leak, this new stylus may not be compatible with older Galaxy Z Fold models. This suggests that Samsung could be making changes to its design, possibly adding new features or modifying how the stylus interacts with the display. The tipster also hinted that this S Pen might come with a different tip, which would offer a smoother writing experience. One big question remains: will this stylus be an upgrade or a downgrade? Samsung recently made changes to the S Pen for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and not all users were happy with the results. If a new version is indeed being developed for the Fold 7, it will be interesting to see whether it improves on past models or takes a step back in certain areas. Production for this stylus is rumored to begin in June, which lines up with Samsung's usual release schedule for its foldable phones, typically around July or August. Apart from the S Pen, what else can we expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Based on leaks so far, Samsung may not introduce major upgrades but will focus on refining the overall experience. Rumors suggest that the hinge design is getting an update, potentially reducing the display crease and improving durability. There is also talk of an upgraded main camera, though specifics remain unclear. Under the hood, the Fold 7 is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Some reports indicate that Samsung might use its own Exynos chip in certain markets, but many believe this Snapdragon will be the primary choice. As for the price, there is no indication of a reduction, meaning it will likely stay in the same range as its predecessor. The real challenge for Samsung this year may not be about what it adds, but rather how it competes. The foldable market is becoming more competitive, with brands like Oppo, Google, and Huawei pushing new innovations. Oppo's Find N5 is rumored to be slimmer and lighter. Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold is on the way, and Huawei is even exploring trifold designs. With all this competition, Samsung's decision to focus on refinements rather than groundbreaking changes could either pay off or leave users wanting more. So, does keeping S Pen support make the Fold 7 more appealing to you, or were you hoping for bigger changes? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest in tech. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.